How to do a goal seek in Excel. When you have a financial model, in our case, we have an economic model for a solar park, and we generate certain revenues and profits, which will return a sure profit over this project. The fact here measured the internal rate of return, unleveled years, 9%. In our case, this is a simple model, but this is also based on the assumption that we can sell all the electricity during the course of 20 years at the price agreed on in the power purchase agreement of 5.5 cents per kilowatt hour. So let's say this profitability for whatever reason is not enough. Instead of 9%, we would like to see 12% here. How can we do a goal seek? We are using Excel to figure out what the required selling price would be. The way to do this is by using a function in Excel and its tools called seats. So, instead of 9%, we want an IRR of 12%. That's the target. We can only do this by changing one variable, the power purchase price. And you can see now that Excel is running iterations until we get to 12%. And this means 6.78 cents per kilowatt hour. We need to obtain that price to earn a 12% IRR. We can repeat this process also for, let's say, a different IRR. Let's say we want 12.5%. We repeat this. What is the required selling price? As you can see, Excel runs again in situations, and now the price of selling needed is higher. This is an excellent way to determine the requirements to achieve a particular scenario. And the secret to that is that the goal seeks to function in Excel. Visit our website and follow us for more.